This is a video required for problem 3. So a digital signal 1 or 0 is transmitted through a noisy channel. The received data may be different from the signal sent out. Suppose the transmitter sends out 0 with a probability of 0.6 and 1 is probability 0.4. When 0 is transmitted, the receiver receives 0 with probability 0.7 and 1 with probability 0.3. When 1 is transmitted, the receiver receives 0 with probability 0.2 and 1 is probability 0.8. So you can see on the graph is 0.6 and 1.4, and 0 sends out to 0 is 0.7 and sends out 0.3 with signal 1. 1 is sends out 0 by 0.2 and 1 sends out to 1 is 0.8. First is find the probability of the data 0 is received. So which with 0 received, there's two ways. 0 send 0, so this one, and 1 send 0, so this one. So on the solution, we got the T0 is 0 is transmitted and T1 is 1 is transmitted. R0 is 0 received and R1 is 1 is received. So first it is find the probability of R0 is received. So like I said, there's two ways they got the receipt. So first is R0 is received by 0 transmitted times the 0's probability, and 0 received is 1 transmitted times 1's probability. So it's 0.7 times 0.6 plus 0.2 times 0.4 is 0.5. And we can check there's another way. So as we all know, the total probability is always 1, so we can find the P1 is received. So check there's is it right or not or wrong. So 1 is there are two ways, so from 0 this way and 1 this way. So it's a 0.6 times 0.3 is this way, and 0.4 times 0.8 is this way. Our solution, like right here, is 1 is received but 0 transmitted times 0's probability, and the 1 received with 1 transmitted times 1 probability is this way. So it's 0.5 total. So the total probability is 1, so it's checked. So second is find the probability of error, which error means 0 transmitted but 1 received, or 1 transmitted but 0 received. So it's this one and this one, because it also said the probability of 1 received when 0 transmitted, and 0 received and 1 transmitted. So like here, like I said, 1 is received, 0 transmitted, zeros, and plus 0 received with 1 transmitted, so total is 0.26. So there's also a way to check. So say 0 transmitted from is 0.6 times 0.7 is 0.42, and 0.4 times 0.8 is 0.32. It's 1 transmitted but 1 received, so total is plus 74. So on this side, the 74 is a no error, and the 0.22 is error, which also plus is 1 is also checked. So here's a video solution for the problem 3. Thank you.